शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं, बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं.
Hello Nimisha ma'am, I have been a part of this school for 14 years, from junior KG to 12th, and it has been an amazing journey throughout. From academics to extracurricular activities to inter-school competitions, competitive exams, everything. You've been pushing us all to participate and give our best no matter what. You have been boosting up my confidence and motivating me in the best possible ways. I've learned a lot from this school, from the teaching as well as non-teaching staff. It contributes majorly to what I am today. This school has given me a lot of support, love, the best of results and the best memories that I'm going to cherish for lifetime. I'm really grateful to you ma'am for everything. Thank you so much and I wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello Vibhuti Miss, I hope you are doing great. I know you have taught me only in 10th standard, but you made me realize how important it is to be a good person and to put in the best efforts you can in the work you do. I know I have let you down many times, but I hope I made you proud while achieving the highest score, highest marks in English subject. That was your subject, and I am blessed to have you as my teacher, my role model, my guide throughout all the years in the school. Thank you ma'am. Happy Teachers Day to all the other teachers too.
Teachers, the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us the strength to survive. Teachers' Day is a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work hard daily or every day so that we have a better future. Starting from Satyamis and Sudhamis, they were the teachers who always used to encourage me to believe that I could reach every heights and goals in my life. They always used to say that I had the aura and personality that could attract so many people, and I also had that command in me, and I'm really grateful to you all for motivating me for good and always believing in me. Then comes Anjana Miss, who had sown the seeds of chemistry in us, and that's what made me take science. And today I'm very well versed at chemistry. So thank you so much ma'am for always helping us out and always being a little bit strict to us so that we could really learn chemistry and we could master it. How can I even forget Sampada Miss and Vibhuti Miss, who used to always give me different words which made me build a very strong vocab. Thank you so much to you all. To all the teachers out there, wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much for motivating us and changing our lives. And I would say we are really grateful to you all. And thank you so much.
Hi Neeta Miss. Ma'am, I know you from I think 8th standard. You taught me 3 years. You've taught me bio, and I think my interest developed to take bio as a subject, a main subject after school, was because of you, your vivid explanations and all that. And you've always been such a friendly teacher. It's helped us so much. So yeah ma'am, thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Hello Dipali Miss. You were my class teacher for the 5th standard and you taught me maths. Maths was always my favorite subject, and when you started teaching it to me, I started liking it even more. You were always very nice and very kind to all of us, and you would always be approachable and helpful to all of us whenever we needed you. Thank you for being that nice and helping me develop my interest in maths, which led to me started doing engineering, and now I'm here in BITS Goa. So in all, I would say thank you.
Thank you, Karishma Miss, for being such an awesome teacher to us. Not just an awesome English teacher, but an awesome class teacher. And not just an awesome class teacher, an awesome friend. you genuinely cared about every single one of us. You didn't just take us as a part of your job, you treated us as your own children, and you could just figure out if we were sad or angry or got in some kind of, arguments with our friends, and used to talk to us about it. So thank you for being that person. And we are sorry for all the trouble we got you into because of 10th A being one of the most horrible classes. But thank you for never giving up on us and being with us, caring about us. Thank you for all the sweet memories. That is exactly what was written on the cake you bought for us. So I remember everything and I miss everything.
Hello everyone, I am Arnav Joshi from 2018-2019 batch, that is an ex-student of our school. So first of all, thank you so much Purushottam sir for giving us this opportunity to revive all our old memories. And really I am always glad to talk about teachers, and today is, of course, all of us know Teachers Day. Beginning with Megha Miss of the primary section. Miss, you have been my class teacher for 2 years and your maths classes were always fun. And you are a bit strict and adherent to the rules, but I always found you as sweet as you were strict. Now, going forward to the secondary section, I am going to talk about a teacher who was really an epitome of patience. उनके हिंदी सिखाने के बारे में बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Yeah, you have guessed it right because it is Seema Miss. वो जो smile लेके आते हैं क्लास में, that is just awesome. And Miss, like I know we have really troubled you, बहुत परेशान किया है आपको, but really sorry for that. और आप भी मेरे 2 साल क्लास टीचर थे, so I can never forget these old memories, and these all teachers have somewhere helped to shape me the way I am. And of course, after home, school was the place where I grew up, and I can never forget my roots, so I can never forget you all. So, last but not the least, happy Teachers Day, and God bless you so much. Thank you.
Hi Vaishali Miss, hi Shraddha Miss. So yeah, I know आप मुझे नहीं भूले होंगे, but I am Dishit Shah from X class 10A. So yeah, it was my pleasure for being taught, learned and practiced by both of you teachers. I am very grateful for that. Thank you Vaishali Miss for teaching me new asanas, and thank you Shraddha Miss for teaching me songs. I am very thankful for that, and I'll never forget that. It has been a very few months that I've left the school, but still I miss our school a lot. Thank you for making our school life very good and a fun time. Finally, a very happy Teachers Day to both of you teachers and all the other teachers right out there.
Hello everyone, this is Rutvi Britesh Shah, passed out in the year 2017, and I wish a very happy Teachers Day to all the wonderful teachers who have played a really vital role in my life. And thank you for supporting me and inspiring me a lot. I am fortunate enough to have you all as my teachers. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very happy Teachers Day again. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Bonjour Neelam ma'am. I do not remember French as I used to, but still it was one of the most interesting subjects I ever learned in my school life. So thank you for keeping it interesting, keeping it alive by taking small play roles. Like I was the Prince, Aditya was the Cinderella. It was very funny. Thank you for being lenient and strict at the same time. Thank you for teaching me and guiding me to write papers and telling me every time true or false for a sentence लिखे true or false लिखने का. So thank you for everything you have done for me and others. Happy Teachers Day. Hello Kusum ma'am. Pardon me for my looks and hair. The thing you scolded me for around infinite times. To be honest, you are one of the most student-friendly class teachers I ever got. And thank you for making the subject that frightened me the most make so easy. Thank you for supporting me and many other students just like me. And if it weren't for you, I guess it was very certain that all of them would have been suspended from 9D. It was one of the most terrorful class anyone I ever got. So thank you for everything. Thank you for bearing us when no other teacher could, I guess. and thank you for not getting us suspended and making our career path so definite. The world needs teacher like you. Happy Teachers Day. Hello ma'am. I have been in the school for the last 14 years, 11, 12th as well. So thank you for making it a good place every time I think about it. Thank you for making it a safe environment. Thank you for making it a place where people can explore their talents. Thank you for all the extracurricular activities that we have promoted. Thank you for all the new talents that have gone and come through the school in your presence. Thank you for making it such a good place in the world. Thank you for making a school a memorable time of my life. And thank you for everything. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Unlike every year, we won't be there in the school celebrating Teachers Day by becoming teachers ourselves. So to make this day special, as always, here's a small gratitude to my class teacher Dipali Miss. For me, maths has always been a stressful and headache subject, but you helped me boosting up my confidence and making it easier. Thank you for always guiding me through the right path and also tolerating my talkative nature. Last but not the least, I am glad that with yours and other teachers' support, we could bring Red House at the top. I hope you find the same leader this year and continue being at the top. Thank you and wishing all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, I am Parth Zaveri. I was in class 10C, year 2018 and 19. I want to thank all of the ma'am who taught me, and also I am particularly here to share my memories with Kusum ma'am, Neelam ma'am and Rekha ma'am. Actually, I like the way how Kusum ma'am taught us. She taught us social studies, which was very theoretical subject and I don't like it. But ma'am taught us so nice way that I scored 39 marks in first unit test and 95 marks in my board exam. Thank you, Kusum ma'am. And then Neelam ma'am. Neelam ma'am taught me a subject. It's not subject but language, but it was very different for me. I also remember Neelam ma'am gave me so many black stars for my long hair, and I don't like haircut. So yeah, but Neelam ma'am, you have supported me so much. Thank you, Neelam ma'am. And lastly, Rekha ma'am. Rekha ma'am taught us maths, and mathematics was a subject that every student was afraid of. But ma'am taught us so well that I was very concerned. And thank you, ma'am, for that. And I scored 90% in my CBSE 10th standard, year 2018 and 19. And lastly, I am here to Happy Teachers Day to all and everyone who supported me, and thank you.
A very happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers out there. I'm so glad and grateful that I could be nurtured by these amazing teachers like you all. And I'm so happy that MKV has provided me that platform. However, I could strike a chord with these three teachers in particular. So I'd like to say a few words in their appreciation. It goes by Anjana Miss. So ma'am, I remember you taught me chemistry, I think in 6th and 8th, if I'm not wrong. And I think chemistry as a subject could be as easy and tough as it could be at the same time, because it lies at two extremities. But you made it extremely easy for us to understand that subject. You were very cooperative and very approachable, especially when it comes to doubts, and I really like that. So thank you so much. Also, you helped us think like a proton and stay positive, and I realize it. I think it's really important. And yes, you taught us the more energy you put into the bond, the stronger and the harder is it to break. So thank you so much, ma'am, for an amazing teaching and a wonderful experience. And thank you for emboldening me. Now I'd like to speak about Neeta Miss. So ma'am, you were a class teacher, I remember, when I was in 8th to the 8C batch of 2013, I suppose. And ma'am, you were an amazing class teacher, like once in a lifetime class teacher I could say I've ever got, because your management skills were commendable and excellent. I think it was very tough to manage our batch and our class of 8C, I think, but you made it so easy and you were so good with it. You were very patient and you were very kind. And I think I've always really liked biology because I really like that subject, but more than that, you always made it very interesting and involving for us, and I think that's a very good thing. And I hope, ma'am, you're all fine and you're doing well. Also, I'd like to speak a few words about Sati Miss.
So Sati miss, I think you taught us the art of discipline, and at that time probably we didn't really realize that, but now if I could say that orderliness is important in your life if you really want to achieve success, because it's an important characteristic trait, I'd say, that plays a key role in your life. So thank you so much. Also, you always made sure that the school rules have been enforced and the routine and orderly discipline is maintained, which I think was very important even at that time and school is now. And I'm really glad to have you as my teacher. And also, ma'am, you were very punctual, so it was like we always had our lunch breaks on time. So yes, and I hope all of your teachers, all of you all are doing really well and all of you all are fine, and take care, and wish you a very happy Teachers Day once again. Can't believe school is over, but we've come this far. Thank you so much, teachers.
Hello everyone. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. I am Janil Kamdar, and on this special occasion I would like to speak a few words to the students' favorite Surendra sir. It's been 5 years since I came to know about you, and I have experienced many fun moments with you and the team. On and off the court, you are a great guide, and the moment of victories that we share were priceless. I see of you as a very determined coach with will and power to grow and teach the students to not get upset in any defeat, but to look for other chances as well. So I wish you a very happy Teachers Day, and I would wish for your well-being in the future too. Thank you.
Hello everyone. After spending 10 years in school, it's time for the moment in my life, the moment when I left my childhood and entered into the world to forge my own path. I am grateful to all the teachers at NKVD for giving me such wonderful memories. The teacher whom I admired the most was Vibhuti Miss. She is a great orator and has different approach to situations in life. Her words had a great impact on me. She is very knowledgeable and also developed my interest in the subject. I would also like to thank Principal Ma'am for making our school life such a wonderful memory. I thank all the teachers for their support they gave me. On this occasion, Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day everyone. My name is Disha. I passed out in 2017 from the school. And I want to speak about Purushottam sir. Purushottam sir has been one of my favorite teachers ever. He has helped me through a lot, and my 10th grade was a lot of fun because of him. Under him I learned a lot of stuff about leadership, about dance, about interacting and about teaching. He has always been a great role model, and he has always been more than a teacher to me. He has always been someone that I can rely on, someone who is very comforting and sweet. I have been very lucky to have him as one of my teachers. He has taught me a lot, and I'm very thankful for him. I love his dedication to dance, and it inspires me to put that much dedication into everything I love. I want to say this to Teju Miss. Ma'am, I've always been a huge fan of books, and the library was my favorite place to be in the whole school. And you have always been a part of my memories because of that. Whenever I think of books, I always correlate it back to you, and it has always been something that I will remember for the rest of my life. You suggested me books, you have given me something outside of my life, and the fictional world is something that I will never forget. I have been very thankful to you for introducing me to this world of knowledge and fun. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am, and I hope you do well. Thanks a lot for everything you've done. To our principal ma'am, Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. I hope you are doing good. I remember you during our school, and it was a very pleasurable memory. You have been one of my favorite people. You were very interesting and charming. Even though we did not have a lot of time to interact with each other, I have always liked you as a person and as a mentor. I hope you are doing well. Happy Teachers Day, everyone. Thank you.
Hello, myself Priyanka Sinha, and I've recently passed out from this school. I'm very thankful to be a student of this school, and also respect all the teachers who taught me so well. Payal Miss. She was my English teacher in 7th grade. She is a very lovely, kind and caring teacher. I will always miss the way she taught me. She used to make us laugh all the time and always used to crack jokes. I will always look forward to attend her class. She's always supporting me and encourage me to take part in all activities. Thank you for everything. May God bless you, and I also love you too. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Hi everyone, I am Soham Manyar of Class 2018-19. I am thankful to Purushottam sir for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to express myself on this occasion of Teachers Day. First of all, I extend my gratitude towards all the teachers. It is often said that superheroes wear capes, but for me, superheroes are the ones with the teaching degrees. The unrelenting efforts made by my teachers has made me what I am today. I am indebted towards my parents for giving me birth, but I am more indebted towards my teacher for giving me life values. I am thankful to all my teachers, Neeta Miss, Sati Miss, Sarita Miss, the one who has been my mentor for 2 years, and also my class teacher. Maths, a subject which is nightmare for many students, was easy for me, not just because of her hard work, but her constant cooperativeness and good supportive nature towards me has brought my success in math subject. Many other teachers like Meenakshi Miss, Sudha Miss and Jyoti Miss. Jyoti Miss has also taught me for the 2 years and also has been my class teacher in the primary section. I miss those memories, reciting poems together, taking attendance in the first lecture and many more. When I think about these memories, they bring tears in my eyes. A guru is the one who consumes itself to light the lives of the others. I am thankful to Nimisha ma'am for giving such a wonderful life to all the students. At last, happy Teachers Day to you all. Thank you.
Teachers encourage mind to think, hands to create and heart to love. Today on this special occasion of Teachers Day, I would thank Premkala Miss for teaching chemistry the way no one else did. Even in my new academic year, I enjoy the fact that my foundation for chemistry is really strong. It helps me become better in the subject I already love because of the way it was taught to me in the past 2 years. I know I was a little bit talkative in your class, but I want to say that I share a great covalent bond with you. So happy Teachers Day to you and all other teachers who have contributed in making my foundation strong. Thank you.
Hello teachers, Rekha ma'am, Anjana ma'am and Sunita ma'am. The new situation is really new to all of us and we have adapted to it very well, especially you teachers. Even today, there's not a day that goes by without reminiscing the school day memories that we had, which were made special because of your presence. You have propelled us to reach our aims and motivated us all throughout. I take this opportunity on the eve of this 5th September, that is the Teachers' Day, to thank all of you. Stay safe and be healthy. Thank you.
Miss for being such an awesome Sanskrit teacher. I used to hate Sanskrit, literally hate Sanskrit. But when you taught us Sanskrit, I actually started to develop a fascination towards that language, understanding it and eventually falling in love with it. So thank you for being such an awesome teacher. We were really devastated when we didn't get you in 10th standard and you know that. But thank you for being such an awesome person, and you weren't just an awesome teacher, you were also an awesome person to take advices from, and we all really miss you. Thank you so much for being such an awesome and lovely teacher. Like, you were one of the sweetest teachers out there. Even your voice was really sweet. I used to hate SS, literally hate SS, especially geography, but you made me fall in love with all the 4 subjects. And like, when we got you again in 10th standard, I was so happy. Every one of us was so happy in that class. It was crazy. We all started screaming because we were so happy, and I still remember that. So thank you for being the awesome person that you are, and we really miss you. I haven't really found any other teacher who made me love the subject which I used to hate once so much that I still remember what happened in the Ho Chi Minh Trail or something like that. So yeah, thank you for that.
Hello,
Myself Aditi Sharma, and have recently passed out from the school. Really can never forget how much the school has given me, and of course its teachers. Bhavna Miss taught me science in 3rd standard and mathematics in 5th standard. She used to play with numbers, and she also made learning so different and interesting. She made mathematics the most easiest subject and made all of us fall in love with the subject. She also taught my younger brother Akshat Sharma, and even he started liking subject. Or mostly every girl, like her earrings. As the day changes, her earrings also used to change frequently. I still remember her dialogue, that is chokdi or zero, means that if you will not practice maths regularly, then the teacher may give you 0 in your exams. Maybe due to her efforts, dedication and blessings, today I have opted for science, PCM, as my career subject. Thank you, Bhavna Miss, for all your support. Happy Teachers' Day. Elizabeth Miss. She taught me English subject and was also my class teacher in 9th standard. She not only taught the subject but also life lessons, example values. During English lecture, she never focused on studies only, but other discussions also used to take place, example, discussion on current situation, speaking skills, debates, news speakings, etc. An entire class used to participate. This brings fun and joy with learning as well. As her subject is English, she always speak in English only. But we got to know one day that she can speak in Hindi also. From that day, we marked that if Elizabeth Miss is speaking in Hindi, then someone has submitted the assignment late or any big tamasha has happened in the class, which was mostly done by last benchers or the one great personalities which used to sit in the corner. Anyways, we still remember those days and Elizabeth Miss very much. Happy Teachers' Day, and she made this subject the most lovable subject for me.
Hello ma'am, it must be hard to recognize because of this hair and beard. But yeah, this is your little Rhythm Shah. I used to remember the days when Sampada ma'am enacted us all her lessons, chapters and poems to her students. I never thought that this enactment would inculcate the lessons so well in me that till now I remember the road not taken and Lord Ullin's daughter so precisely. She always used to teach morals at the end of each chapter. Ma'am always pushed me to participate in extracurricular activities which greatly combined to develop a personality in my formative years. I know Sampada ma'am from primary section, and I know that she used to give a little star on her hands. So dear Sampada ma'am, I wish you a happy Teachers' Day from my bottom of my heart. Sati ma'am, my physics teacher. Her teaching the subject was the first time I fell in love with this subject. It's her teaching that strengthened my concept, that I still do visit when relating to engineering concept. I think that she always used to give marks little bit on lower side, but positively that made me work harder every time. I certainly love physics that much that today I am studying mechanical engineering, which is closely related to classical physics. Thank you ma'am for everything, and happy Teachers' Day.
Hi Surinder sir, hi Purushottam sir. I hope आप सब ठीक हो. Thank you for always making school life fun for us and memorable, and keeping extra practices too. आपके साथ जितना भी टाइम स्पेंड किया हो टूर्नामेंट्स में और प्रैक्टिसेस में, सब एकदम मस्त था. भले अभी स्कूल छोड़ के बहुत कम टाइम हुआ हो, बट आई नो कि आई एम गोइंग टू मिस स्कूल वेरी मच. Thank you to all the other teachers too for making me learn good values and supporting me. Thank you all. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello Rami Miss. You are one of the calmest and the most patient people I have ever seen in my life. Sanskrit has always been one of my favorite languages. Yogita Miss helped me a lot to create interest in that language, but you too carried it forward and made your lectures so interesting for me to learn. You have always been there to help me, even when I used to come running to you just 2 minutes before the exam with a huge list of doubts. Not to forget, I still remember the day, a few days before boards, where you were searching for me and you gifted me a pair of earrings as a token of love and appreciation. I was in tears that day. It was one of the best days of my life. Also, on the farewell day, you clicked so many pictures of mine from start to bottom, from every possible angle. The love you gave me was unparalleled. I'm really grateful to you, Miss. Thank you so much for everything. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. May you always stay happy. Thank you. Hello Bidyut sir, you know how much I love to draw. You have helped me so much in completing my drawings, and you were the first person who taught me how to shade with poster colors. More than a drawing teacher, you are a very good person, and you've been so calm, patient and lenient with all of us. You gave us free time for everything. You helped us complete our drawings. You forgave us even when we didn't bring drawing books or we didn't complete our drawings. I remember one incident where in 8th standard, it was my maths exam and I forgot to wear my watch that day. I was so worried about it, but you gave me your watch to wear for the exam, and nothing could have been better than that. Thank you so much, sir, for being a very important and memorable part of my school life. I am really grateful to you, and I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you once again.
Hello Kusum Miss, you are my class teacher for the 9th standard and you taught me social studies, which was one of the subjects which I didn't like very much. But since you started teaching us, I started liking it, especially history. You were always very friendly with all of us, even though we were a pretty naughty class and one of the most terrorizing class for all of the teachers. But you handled all of us very well. And I'm very thankful and grateful to you for doing that and giving us advices whenever we needed you. So sorry for all the pain we have caused you, and thank you.
Hello everyone, happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who have been a part of my school life. I have a special message for Yogita Tanna Miss. Hi Yogita Miss, how are you? I hope you are very well. I still remember the first day of primary section, and I was in the assembly hall and I was on the verge of crying. I was totally lost and I did not know what was happening, and all the teachers were new to me. You took me aside and explained to me that nothing is wrong and I am in a school, I am safe, and you consoled me like my mother would do. And from that day on I knew that you would be my favorite teacher whatever happens. And then as the school progressed, I came to know that you were the dance teacher and I loved dance. And thank you so much for making me fall in love with classical dance so much that I could complete my Arangetram in Bharatnatyam. And I am very lucky that you were there on that day to bless me. Thank you very much for being not only a teacher but also like a mother to me. Thank you, Miss. Hi Neelam Miss, happy Teachers Day. This is a special message for you. Initially, I took up French in 6th standard for my love of languages, and you are our picnic teacher who would accompany us on all trips and would enjoy with us as if you were my own friend. And in 9th and 10th too, this did not change. You were my French teacher, but you are also my friend. And the memories that we made while thinking about the French Day board decorations, while recruiting students for the decoration, and while waiting for printout outside the office, it was so amazing that I will cherish these memories throughout my life. So thank you so much for not only being a wonderful teacher but also for being a friend, mentor and a guide. Now a message for our principal ma'am. Ma'am, you have inspired all the students and the teachers on various occasions, and you have constantly motivated us to never give up. There is one occasion that I will remember throughout my life. You handed me the assistant Blue House captain badge and you gave a speech that made me understand the true meaning of responsibility and the duties that come with power. So ma'am, thank you so much. Wishing you a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, a very warm greeting to all of you from me, Akshaj Kadamba, from the batch 2018-19. I had joined the school in 2014 when I was in 6th standard at that time, and the experiences that I've had in this school are one of the best and with a lot of golden memories. I consider myself to be very lucky to have been part of this school and to learn from some of the best teachers. Hello Jayashree ma'am, I hope you remember me. You were a class teacher in standard 9th, and you used to teach us a subject subject like SS in a very interesting way by your simplistic method of teaching, which used to make us stay connected in the lecture, throughout the lecture. Besides being a class teacher, you were very supportive and friendly. Thank you for tolerating all our mischiefs and forgiving us for the same. Thank you for being a part of my life. Next, I would like to speak a few words for Purushottam sir. Sir, आपके बारे में जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है. The best thing I feel about you is that you used to involve all the students while you were teaching us. You used to give opportunities and chances to new talents. और सर उनमें से मैं एक हूँ. आपने जितना भी थोड़ा बहुत डांस सीखा है मैंने वो आपसे ही सीखा है. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस मिला है मुझे कि मैं स्टेज में जाके भी परफॉर्म कर सकूँ. एंड थैंक यू सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. Lastly, I would wish all the teachers a very, very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello Yogita, Mehti, Miss and Pal Miss. I hope you all are doing great and keeping it safe for you and people around you. So today's Teachers' Day and we all would have been so hyped up for today. Like आज तो Teachers' Day है, पूरे दिन मज़े, कुछ पढ़ना नहीं. But no, not this year for us. But of course other students might be. So yeah, you all were one of the kindest teachers in your ways, of course, and would always direct us in the right direction by either scolding us or beating the ones who needed it. So yeah, thank you so much for being there for us during these years and ahead. And I hope you get a smile after watching this whole video. So happy Teachers' Day to you.
Hi, I'm Romaja from the batch of 2018. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to each one of you who have helped me become the person I am today and a much more confident version of myself. And a special thanks to Vidyut sir, who always supported me and believed that I could do something in the field I wanted to. Even though I never did anything in his lecture and never the homework, I wouldn't even carry my books. But still, thank you. Bye.
As today's Teachers' Day, I would like to thank Avni Miss for teaching me 2 different subjects and for always being there for me so that I can share my problems with her. I would like to thank Dipti Miss for teaching me physics for 2 years and changing my perspective towards a subject that I thought was absolutely boring and difficult. I would also like to thank Meenakshi Miss that even though she didn't teach me any subjects, but she did teach me how to be caring and friendly as a person. Some of my best trip memories are with her and I will cherish them forever. And lastly, I would like to thank all the amazing teachers at my school for helping me build an amazing future and making my school life even more wonderful than it already was. Thank you so much.
Jaya Miss. She's the most kind-hearted person I have ever met. Her way of teaching is so different and attractive. She shared the knowledge of her subject, that is Hindi, with me in the most important year of learning for any student, that is standard 10th. She made the subject so interesting and energetic as well. For me or for anyone in the school, she can maybe referred as the beauty icon, but not only externally, internally as well. She is so pretty, sweet, cute. Frankly speaking, I am very fond of her. But this, her sweetness, may end up if you don't submit the work on time or enter the class late. But I never did it, so she is still the best motivational person for me. And because of her, I even scored very good marks in my board exams. Thank you very much for your support. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers of all the subjects who taught me from 1st to 10th standard. Thank you very much and keep showering your blessings upon us. Thank you.
Guru are the sculptors who can turn stones into idols. They are our role models and we often wish to be like them. Being a student of Kanchan Miss was indeed my pleasure. It was because of her that I developed a keen interest in maths. And talking about Jaya Miss, it was because of her that I understood the importance of Hindi literature at a greater extent. Thank you to all the teachers for mentoring me in my school life. To all the teachers out there, wish you happy Teachers' Day.